On the Pfaff Quilt Expression 720, you will never run out of bobbin without being told. So here's what I'm talking about. Let's say you're sewing along and you have you're getting low on thread. This little message will come up, bobbin thread low. Now, you can usually see that you've got a little thread left on your bobbin when you peek down in that bobbin area. You know that you can make it to the end of your fabric, and that's okay. So if you touch OK and you sew again, you're going to get the message again. Here's the trick. If you want to make it all the way down to the end without that message popping up every couple stitches, don't touch OK. Just go ahead and sew. You'll be able to make it all the way down, finish your stitch, and as long as you leave this message up, it will allow you to sew. So when you do find yourself sewing or even winding a bobbin, you're going to find that there is a little place on the bobbin that has kind of that ridge at the top. So this is where the Pfaff logo is. That was on the top of the machine when you filled it. And what it does is it fills that top part first and then jumps down and fills the bottom part. As soon as the bottom part empties and there's a light that can shoot through the bobbin, that's why it's a clear bobbin, and see itself, that's when the message comes up. So you have whatever thread was first wound in that top portion to finish your stitching line. So that could even be further than just what you see here. It could be even more. It will depend on the thread thickness that you wind on that bobbin. There could be a lot more than you think, or there might be less. So just know that you have control of how far you want to sew and risk it before you actually run out of bobbin thread.